Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. And today I'm super excited because I'm going to take you waterfall walking in Wales. This trip is spiritual, inspirational, motivational for the right people.
My name is Ben Pemberton from Shade Landscapes and Water Gardens.
I'm Lee Rackham from the Garden Project team.
So I'm Tom, I work at and own Aquaflora Landscapes Limited.
So I'm Matt, I'm from I run Nice Ponds.
I'm Luke from Anypond.
My name's James Rackham from the Garden Project team.
I'm Charlotte from Water Feature Shop.
Hopefully you'll feel the force, hopefully you'll feel inspired by Mother Nature. Any aquatic artist should get out into Mother Nature and basically be inspired by that moving water.
I've come to Wales to see how we can create our art in the garden. So take points from Wales and make them in people's homes.
Yeah, connecting with the rest of the guys is always a pleasure. And of course getting inspiration from the natural landscapes as well.
I love it. You know, you reconnect with nature, you get up close and personal to the waterfalls. It's lovely to see some new faces that we've not had with us before and to watch their faces when they see the falls and the power of the water and stuff.
We've been talking about loads of little details and stuff like this. It's slightly different rock because it's a lot of bedrock and stuff here, so it's kind of slightly different in terms of boulders, but definitely a lot of the little details and the way the water's coming down. So, yeah,
just finding out what makes a waterfall look as natural as possible.
So what I want to do in this video is I want to help you get outside, and the reason why I would come to Wales is most people on a weekend do the same stuff over and over and over again. But what I encourage you to do is to get outside and go waterfall walking. Just check out what is on your doorstep.
One thing I was looking forward to seeing today was a lot of moss, because we're doing a water feature at the minute, and I want to add quite a lot of moss work to it on the finished touches. So that was something I was looking forward to seeing.
See, it's interesting because we came here to look at waterfalls on the waterfall walking tour. And while my head is turned to look at this waterfall you see above you, all of my contractor colleagues are taken aback by the moss wall to the left.
So on this journey, it may be that we actually come across some footpaths that are closed. I've been here before, and it is literally, I'm going for a walk and other people are joining me. So hopefully we'll be able to do what we want to do. On this particular one, there's some Force 5 waterfalls and they are huge, but maybe sometimes there's avalanches, sometimes the footpaths are closed. So hopefully we'll be able to show you some real good waterfalls. Come with me.
I've enjoyed the social side, talking to everybody, getting to know their favourite features and what they like. I enjoy seeing the features themselves because they do give you sort of this relaxing feel. I'm not sure if it's the sound, the sight, or maybe just a combination of everything. But I've enjoyed seeing the differentiation of features too.
The unique thing about this one is it comes straight to you, and instead of coming down, it actually goes out the side as well. So it's out the side and down.
Yeah, it's great. I mean, obviously been a couple of times before, but it's obviously the waterfalls. It's great to learn and see nature. That's what we're recreating. But really, hanging out with people you like, really, isn't it, at the weekend?
think the big takeout for me is being with everyone. I've really enjoyed that. It's great that there's like a CAC family here in the UK that's growing, and everybody is really sound. It's just nice to spend time with people. For sure I'll be bringing, my mum will come in, definitely, but probably Linda and the dog, etc. It's an amazing weekend, and it's been really great being with people.
I've really enjoyed just the whole weekend. Obviously it's my first time coming and seeing just the size of them and the scale, but yeah, I've took so many like little golden nuggets away, and which I can replicate hopefully in people's gardens. I would recommend this. You know, I can't wait to come back, bring other people who haven't seen it. Do it if you enjoy the outdoors, enjoy there's a lot of hills, but it's not too bad. It's all good fun, and especially come with good company like I have today, and it's been a lot better. Yeah.
Credit to Mark and Charlotte for organising it, because it's been a really good weekend.
So I'm really glad that we were able to show you all these different types of waterfalls, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've felt the force. I'm going to go and join Tom, who's up the top there now. Hey Tom! I'm going to go up there and I'll see you later on. See ya.